Hey everybody. I know it's been 3 weeks, about 3 weeks since my last video, so that's why I wanted to put up a new one. I was on vacation for the last 3 weeks, so that's why I haven't had any uploads on the past few Mondays. But anyhow, I'm back, and today I want to talk to you about an action with Keyboard Maestro, specifically um, pasting by typing action in Keyboard Maestro. Pasting by typing can come in handy when using them in or on websites that disable the paste function. Um, as you see from this site, uh, Google Chrome even now has an extension. But a lot of banking websites, for example, um, disable paste, so you can't just copy a password, even a sophisticated one, and paste it in. You have to type it. What if you can't remember a complex password? What do? With Keyboard Maestro, you can create a password, you can create a macro that will paste a password in for you. And today we're going to see how. So let's get Keyboard Maestro started. Command K. And we're going to put away Google Chrome for now. So we're going to go down here and we're going to create a new macro. We're going to call it paste test. And we're going to add a action. So far, the process you've seen before. Okay, so let's find the action that we need, and let's start typing type. Here it is. Insert text by typing. This one right here. So you double click on it, and then you have a field of the text that you would like to type. So let's try, I don't know, let's just say, call it password 123. Obviously that shouldn't be your password, but let's test it out by paste typing password 123. Okay, and now we can add a trigger. You know what? Let's put in a hotkey trigger by doing a Shift Option Control Command and P. Alright, and this is our new macro. So let's find a site where we can test it out. Let's see. where can we test this out? Here, well, first I'll show it to you in just a notepad. So I'll start, let's say, drafts. Hopefully it's starting. Yep. And then I'm going to hit the key trigger that I created. And see, there you go. Password 123. Let's try it on any website that has. Let's try it on chase.com, for example. So, let's see if we, and we're gonna hit sign in. I'm not actually going to sign into an account. I don't even have an account with Chase, but I want to see if this macro will work when you are pasting it into a website. So here's some random username. And then we're gonna do our hotkey. There you go. This it types it in. I have no way of showing it, but this I'm 100% positive that the macro worked, even on our website. So again, the action is paste by typing. That's the keyboard Maestro action that allows you to type in passwords or just regular text if the paste option on a website has been disabled. Alright guys, that's a short, quick video for Keyboard Maestro for today. I will have, please subscribe, like, and let me know down in the comments below what other types of automation videos you'd like to see. What other Keyboard Maestro tricks you would like to see as well. Alright, talk to you guys soon. Bye.